Hello. In this video, you will learn how to hold live streams on Restream from the Proficonf conference room. Only Pro and Premium account owners can additionally purchase this feature. First of all, let's create a conference room. It can be an instant, scheduled event, or a permanent room. Invite speakers to the event room, and then the audience can be connected to the live stream. Go to the streaming menu. In the upper right corner, there is a menu for setting up live streams where you can enable or disable chat, enable or disable participants' thumbnails, select showing only the organizers or the active participants' video. There's also a field for entering the server URL, the field for entering the stream key, button Add Streaming Server. Don't close the browser tab, and go to Restream.io website to create the stream, and then log in or sign up. After that, you will be redirected to the Restream management page, where you can add several platforms to which Restream will share simultaneously, such as Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, and others. To do so, you will need to log into the selected services and provide the required permissions for Restream. Here you can also get the stream key and server URL by clicking the RTMP settings button. Go to a Proficonf conference, paste the URL and stream key into the conference menu, and click Add Streaming Server. Press Start Streaming button to start the live streaming. The stream will start on all selected platforms. On the Restream page, you will be redirected to the live studio control room, where you can change the settings and display your broadcast in real time using the Restream tools. To end the stream, click the Stop Streaming button in the conference room in Proficonf. The stream will end automatically on all the other platforms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.